1, go!
Hello and thank you for joining me on another No on a Narrowboat. It's really nice here, and here are my friends on Silverfox.
The kids go.
We had a really nice night sleeping here last night. It was so calm and quiet.
Can you hear the birdies singing? Makes a change from factories and lorries, doesn't it? Is it nice?
Yeah.
Yes. What have we been doing? Learning all about bushcraft and forest skills, haven't we? You made your little bow and arrow. Pew, pew.
We've been walking forever looking for geocaches and we come across this old station. We've managed to find Bosworth.
Nah, it's called Bosworth. Battlefield Heritage Centre and Country Park.
What's that?
So that's where we are. Yeah, and that's a dragon hunt you can do.
I want to do it.
Help find the dragon. Ah.
I want to. This is Shenton Station.
Okay, you're going to try with your marble?
Yeah.
And then... Oh, you did it that time. Well done. So what is this now?
I don't know.
Oh, let's have a look. The battlefield in 1485. Right, I think this was where they thought the Battle of Bosworth was, didn't they? And then they changed their mind and they said it was somewhere else. So
Look, we are there.
there used to be a windmill you could see across the fields. We are there in the pretty woods, and the battlefield apparently was in front of us. But I think they've moved it now, haven't they? It's somewhere else. This is where they thought it was.
Anyways, we can go to the visitor centre.
We will. We'll go and visit the visitor centre another time, won't we, yeah?
Here we are, back to the canal and back to Chugs.
Come on.
Had a little bit of a hiccup then.
Oh, it's muddy, isn't it, Noah?
I'm not going to fall in the canal this time. I'm drawing a picture of the old Bosworth Hospital.
Bosworth. Although I think Bosworth sounds better. You're doing a project about Bosworth, aren't you?
Yeah, I've just been drawing this. I haven't been tracing, have I?
Come on then, let's have a look.
I mean, it's not really a big comparison, but...
It's not finished yet, but let's have a look. Ready? There we go, look at this.
I've been drawing it all on my own, haven't I?
You have. You've been learning all about the history of where we're staying for your school. And Lils is very busy, aren't you, Lils?
I mean, my favourite part about it, and I think the best part that I've done is that bit.
So, oh, that bit. I don't know actually what that's called. It's like a sort of coat of arms above the door, isn't it? Let's have a look again. It's your favourite bit is that bit there.
Yeah.
Well done. Good details, Noah.
Thank you. I might need to borrow the tablet in a minute to show a picture of it.
We will
do side by side.
Side by side, we will do. Yeah.
Let's do a comparison.
You're studying hard, aren't you? Good boy. I think they're excited to be going for a walk.
I've come to see Peter to do his lovely woodworking. I've come to see a nice man called Peter, and this is a little boat named Chip where he does all sorts of wood things. I'm in the butty boat with Peter now, and he's giving me this lovely mouse. Really quiet, isn't it?
Yeah.
Again, let's put it over there.
I don't look at the wood, I look at the back there. At the front. Well, you can touch it, it's all turned off, it's safe.
What do you think?
Brilliant.
Did you know that was done like that?
No, I just thought that people sat down and used little chips and went like that.
No.
There you go. It's clever, isn't it?
You know, I understand why this boat's called Chip.
Yeah, that's it, well done.
Wait, are you making a mushroom?
Yeah. I like mushrooms.
Super.
It's magical, isn't it?
Isn't that clever?
It's not bad, at least it's going to need a bit more refining. I'll be wearing my smock, but I forgot to put it on.
Oh, it's lovely, Noah. All hand turned. Isn't that clever?
So what do you think then, Noah?
Just like a hand wash.
It's really, really cool.
Would you like to do this when you're older?
Yeah, I would actually.
You like building things and making things, don't you?
I can't. Have you pressed the button? I didn't. Thank you very much, Peter, for letting me in your workshop and seeing all the wood.
You're most welcome.
And thank you for my present.
That's a pleasure.
If I want to squish it on, then look, I can just put that on top and then squish it like that.
Oh right, okay.
Then it squishes it. Oh, well, it doesn't do it very well.
Well, I think because it sticks to the other one.
Yeah, it did it with that one. Oh, perfect.
It is. I'll just shift it.
Goodbye from me and Brinley. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It's free.